Just left Locust Grove. We're out here in the Atlanta, East Atlanta area. This is actually the area I grew up in, but man, these areas are changing for the better. So anyway, this is a client that have been following me for a few years. They said, Courtney, we was going to have you do one of our other houses, but we had to postpone. But this house right here, they called me, they sent me pictures. Again, I never came out and did an in-home consultation. I gave them a price. We're doing a screen and recoat, no UV cure, because she said no one's moving in until next week. And then after this, we have another in-home consult. We do have an in-home consultation about 7 minutes from here for a move-in, and he wants to get on my schedule for next week. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in the East Atlanta, right off of Moreland Avenue, and these are the floors that we're doing. Now, guys, the floors aren't too bad. Like from a glare, you can just see a lot of wear. See right there, there's just wear. The original finish is just wearing off. You see a little dullness up in here. Basically, this is a high traffic area. They had one concern, but I told them certain things just don't bother. Right here is a board that's splitting, and it's right down with the grain of the wood. Guys, don't, if it's that big of an issue, just change the board out, because trying to fill it, sometimes it'll come right back out. So we got this floor right here. It's about 1,000 square feet, 250 a square foot, screen and recoat. This room right here, T has already started screening. And that room right there. All right, guys.
Easy in the morning, sunlight on the grain. Footprints in the stories, years of life and the stains. They scroll late nights, YouTube playing low. Watch the work, watch the process, watch the floors glow. Not chasing cheap talk, not covering the truth. They wanted real craftsmanship, somebody who knew when it came time to move. No second debate. They said call Truman, he'll bring it back to shape. This ain't new wood, it's the solid foundation. Bars been standing through generations. We don't erase the past, we protect what's real. Bring the clarity back, let the hardwood heal. Scream, Recoat, bring the life back home. Same floor, new energy, solid wood bones. No shortcuts, no sanding away the soul. Just respect for the craft, let the finish unfold. They've been watching the journey, every floor I've shown. When it was time to decide, they thought a true man. Screen, Recoat, clean, protect, restore. East Atlanta, shine, walking back through the door. Solid oak, talking, every bar got a voice. You can hear it when you listen, feel it when you choice. This ain't engineered, this the real thing built. Years of traffic still strong under the guilt. Light screen, perfect bite, let the coat bond. Even sheen laying flat, every line respond. From dull to deep, from tired to true. Same floor, just a clearer view. They didn't find me by accident. They found me by consistency. Video by video, job by job. Trust don't come from talk, it come from proof. Recoat, bring the life back home. Same floor, new energy, solid wood bones. No shortcuts, no sanding away the soul. Just respect for the craft, let the finish unfold. They've been watching the journey, every floor I've shown. When it was time to decide, they thought a true mind. Screen, Recoat, clean, protect, restore. East Atlanta, shine, walking back through the door. From the screen to the flow, from the phone to the call. From YouTube trust to the finish on the wall. This ain't hype, it's a reputation grown. When they think Hardwood, they think Truman. They think Truman.
There you go ahead. Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, just take your shoes off. All right, guys, we just got back. When they did a consultation that went well. He's going to get on the books for Tuesday. And my client, Carlos. All right. And these floors came out amazing. What you think? Good. Looking good. See how nice and smooth they are? Remember how it was really faded right here? Right. All up in there? Right. Yep. All right, guys. Coating looks amazing. Put a little amber in it to give it some little amber color to these type of red floors. So it's funny, guys. Carlos, my client here, I actually gave them a consultation before on another one of their properties, and they remembered me because I gave them some good, honest advice, and he was just telling me he appreciated that. And yeah, floors look amazing. We even got the closet back there in the masters. Yep. You're welcome. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. Again, we had 2 projects today. We got 2 tomorrow. Tomorrow, we have a screen and recoat for a client that used me before. Just doing their kitchen, screen recoat, UV cured, and we have to do a basement cleaning. Then I have another consultation tomorrow in the same area. We're going to be all in the same area tomorrow. Gwinnett County client that used me years before. They're moving out of their house and they want the floors, the tile, he said, Courtney, the stone, the countertops, everything done. And then we got 2 Friday, then 1 Saturday, and 3 consultations Saturday. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.
Constant marketing,
Huh?
Constant marketing.
Yes, sir. Gotta be consistent with the marketing.
You have a robust website. We'll give you that.
Oh, thank you. Is that my website?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You see, I just got my van. I don't know if you remember my van last time,
I don't know.
but I got it. I got it rewrapped.